fellow art lovers. Today we'll draw some flowers that are in the Bloom Adult Coloring Book I found on Amazon. This coloring book is full of beautiful drawings, 50 types of flowers. There is no author listed in this book, but I do want to give full credit to this wonderful book. Here are some of the drawings you'll find in this book. I use this book as a reference book because the drawings are beautifully detailed. Today let's focus on the forget-me-nots. The only information I can find is on the back page. It says Made in America, Las Vegas, Nevada, 30 March 2022. Here is another glimpse of the drawings you'll find in the Bloom Adult Coloring Book. Here's what we need for this drawing. We can use any piece of paper and a pencil, pen, or marker. I'm using mixed media paper and an ultra thin point permanent marker. You could use even a black pen and regular printer paper. The first thing we need to do is to decide how our drawing will fit on the paper. We could make it smaller than the coloring book page, or we could decide to draw just a part of the reference photo and make the flowers larger. I'm going to make my drawing about the same size as the coloring book page, and I'm going to add a small vase at the bottom of the stem. Let's look closely at the petals. They are somewhat round, but they often come to a slight point. There are 5 petals on each flower. Each petal comes out from a center that has 5 sections and a middle circle. In some places we can see a corner of a petal folded over, and there's a flower drooping over, and we almost see it from the side. Now let's look closely at the stem. The stem is smooth with lines in it. Smaller stems branch off the main stem and hold only 1 flower each. Some flowers cover their own little stem, so these little stems don't show for some of the flowers. The leaves are very simple. Their edges are smooth. There is a prominent vein running down the center. There are lines coming out from the bases of the leaves and on their tips. The tips are somewhat rounded. We're not locked into drawing exactly what we see in the reference photo. Since this is an art lesson, we are free to draw things as we want to. I'm not going to draw the side branch with the flowers and buds, but you can if you want to. I'm not even going to draw every flower on the main branch, just the ones that fit nicely into the drawing I want to create. And don't worry if your first drawing of these forget-me-nots does not come out the way you want it. Consider your first drawing a practice run. Redo the drawing as many times as you need to get one that you like well enough to hang on your wall. Let's begin. If you don't have your drawing supplies handy now, pause the video and go get them. Then pause the video anytime along the way when you're ready to add something to your drawing. Here is an art tip. To improve your drawing skills, look over your drawing to see if there's anything you would change if you drew it again. Then make a new drawing with those changes. When you see an artist make something beautiful look easy, most likely they have drawn or painted that subject many times. Each time they do it, it gets better and is easier for the artist to make it look really good. To take this to the next level, you can develop memory drawing. Try to draw these forget-me-nots from memory without looking at the reference photo at all. When you're done, compare your drawing with the reference photo to see if you forgot anything. Drawing becomes more fun when you can just pick up a pencil and a paper anywhere in the world and draw something as nice as these forget-me-nots from memory. If you like these sort of art tips, ask for my free ebook with 10 art tips and simple drawings you can do. Just go to the home page of my website at skillfulartist.com and request it, or email me at elaine@skillfulartist.com. Let's see how our drawing looks in a frame. I encourage you to work on your forget-me-not drawing until it's something you like well enough to frame and hang on your wall. You can buy inexpensive frames to fit your paper, even at thrift stores. If you drew these forget-me-nots, I invite you to post a picture of your drawing on my Facebook page. The link is in the description. If you want to draw with me again, subscribe to my Skillful Artist YouTube channel to see more of my drawing tutorials. I teach pencil drawings and ink and watercolor drawings. I also give you art tips. Most of these are created for people who want to learn to draw or who want to draw along with somebody. It's more fun that way. So email me and let me know how your art journey is coming along. Until then, dear art lover, keep drawing, and I'll see you in the next video.